ल अब हामी सुरु गर्छौँ है त सुरु गर्छौँ अनि आजबाट अब धेरै कुरा भएको छ ल कुम्भकर्ण कुन रेन्जमा छ अरे कञ्चनजङ्घा कुम्भकर्ण कञ्चनजङ्घा रेन्जमा छ द हाइएस्ट पिक अफ द चुरे हिल गार्बा पिक इज लोकेटेड इन विच डिस्ट्रिक्ट चुरेको गार भनेको कैलालीमा छ along with the hill station the Mahabharat range is also known as lesser Himalayan भन्छ है त महाभारतलाई लेसर हिमालय भन्छ which climate region is there snow storm after the noon in नेपाल भनेको छ टुन्ड्रामा मध्याह्नपछि हिउँ पर्ने भनेको टुन्ड्रा अल्पाइन र टुन्ड्रा कुन अग्लो भनेर भयो भने ए भनेको अल्पाइन छ टी भनेको टुन्ड्रा छ त्यही भएर जुन पछाडिको चाहिँ अग्लो हुन्छ है टुन्ड्रा which schedule of the constitution clarify the representative district of representative process भनेको schedule 4 भयो which of the following is not the core sector of BIMSTEC blue economy चाहिँ core sector of BIMSTEC होइन which member of the state has SAARC was the latest member of United Nation को अन्तिम मेम्बर सार्कबाट कुन हो भन्दाखेरि बङ्गलादेश the only inner Tarai district along with the section of middle highway is उदयपुर हो who is the host country of the FIFA वर्ल्ड कप 2026 को होस्ट भनेको कुन हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि युएसए हुन्छ हाईएस्ट कभरेज अफ फरेस्ट कुनमा छ भन्दाखेरि कर्णाली हाउ मेनी प्लान होलिडे हेज बिन अब्जर्भ इन नेपालमा दुईटा प्लान होलिडे अब्जर्भ गरिएको छ द फन्डामेन्टल राइट आर मेन्सन इन कुनमा पार्ट 3 मा गरिएको छ सार्क कन्ट्री हुज बुस्ट द हाईएस्ट लिटरेसी रेट सार्क मध्ये कसले गरिएको कुनको छ लिटरेसी रेट भन्दा मालदिप्सको was the tenure in the year of the member of the ecosocio of the ecosocio UN को कति वर्ष हुन्छ 3 वर्ष हुन्छ हाउ मेनी डाइरेक्टिभ प्रिन्सिपल आर स्टेट इन देयर कन्स्टिट्युसनमा कति 4वटा डाइरेक्टिभ प्रिन्सिपल हुन्छन् विच डिस्ट्रिक्ट इज फेमस फर लाइमस्टोनको लागि कुन डिस्ट्रिक्ट फेमस हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि छ भन्दा मकवानपुर छ हाउ मेनी हु mark of the performance appraisal form of the officer in the officer को performance appraisal वर्क कसले भरिदिन्छन् भन्दाखेरि their supervisor as per local government officer act which of the following is not the हिल्ली काठमाडौँ ललितपुर भक्तपुरलाई चाहिँ के भनेको छ भ्याली भनेको छ कालीकोट बझाङ सिन्धुपाल्चोक चाहिँ हिल्ली भयो सिभिल सर्भिस चार्टरलाई मलेसियामा के भनिन्छ मलेसियामा क्लाइन्ट चार्टर अस्ट्रेलियामा सर्भिस चार्टर इन्डियामा सिटिजन चार्टर भनिन्छ विच अफ द फलोइङ थ्योरी लिडरसिप बेस्ड अन द सिचुएसनल भेरिएबल भनेको क्यारिजमेटिक लिडरसिप थ्योरी according to the situational leadership theory of followers a desired ability to willingness is likely to comfortable in its ability to do the job well हुन्छ scientific management is a name given to the philosophy to set up the method technique that stress the scientific study and organize of the work at operational level भयो which of the following is the content theory ERG theory is the content theory building resilience structure related to sustainable development goal कति 9 हुन्छ नेपाल become the member of WMO in 1996 मा है WMO चाहिँ 1996 मा थियो complete the series 27 35 47 पछाडी 74 अनि 53 अनि 72 find the odd out from the following भनेको छ 3 बाट 4 5 बाट 1 2 3 4 5 बाट odd out मा चाहिँ B चाहिँ पर्दो रहेछ odd out किन 3 को 4 छ 5 को 3 छ 6 को 3 छ 5 को 4 छ 6 को 3 3 कप भने त्यो मिलेन। द अड मिनट अफ द गिवन सेट अफ द नम्बर 109 262 317 561 643 811 643 चाहिँ अड भयो। सबै जोड्दाखेरि 10 हुन्छ। 6 4 3 जोड्दा हुँदैन। द सर्टेन पोस्टल रिटर्न इज द पिपिसियम हुन्छ भने हाउ इज द जर्नल रिटर्न इन द कोड भने जेपियुएसएनबिएल हुन्छ। सब्स्टिट्युटको फाइन भने जस्तै सबटाइल हुन्छ। लेसनको रिड्युस भए जस्तै टिङ्क्लचरको सोलुसन हुन्छ। 564 भनेको बेस्ट हो भने 76 भनेको बेस्ट अफ लक हो भने त्यहाँ जोडिएको भनेको 6 मात्रै छ भनेको बेस्ट हुने भयो। 6 को 36 भने जस्तै 279 कतिको 17 को हुन्छ। एबन्डेन्टको स्केयर्स भने जस्तै ब्रेभको टिमिट हुन्छ। 4 girls are sitting on the bench of the photograph. Kamal is left to the Akriti, Disha is right to the Akriti. Akriti is between, Ankita is between Akriti and Disha. Who is for the right of the photograph भनेको छ कोमल। 13वटा बर्ड छन् भने all but 3 manage to escape. all but 3 manage to escape भनेको 3टा बाहेक सबै escape भयो भने कतिवटा रहने भए त्यही 3वटै all but 3 manage to escape. How many? all but 3 manage to escape भनेको सबैमा 3टा चाहिँ escape भयो भने 3टै left भयो। all but 3 manage to escape. 3टा बाहेक सबै भने चाहिँ how many bird left भनेको चाहिँ left left कति बाँकी रहे भनेको हो नि त। 3टा बाहेक सबै भने चाहिँ त्यही 3टै बाँकी रहे। The sum of the two number which product is 200 and the different meaning भनेको 20 र 30 भनेको चाहिँ 65 र 55को स्क्वायरको 10 इक्वेसन 0 हुन्छ। 3 children who born the gap of 3 years and 4 months. The first children in the eldest brother twice, then the younger, then age of the middle भनेको 10 वर्ष हुन्छ। The profit percentage of the selling price is 1.25 times of the profit भनेको कति 400% हुन्छ। 13 मिनेटले एउटा काम गर्न 48 जान्छ भने 26 मिनेटले कति 39 लाग्छ। द मेन फलोइङ द किड मेन इज मुभिङ एट द स्पिड अफ 80 किलोमिटर पर आवर एन्ड द किड्स रनिङ एट द स्पिड अफ 3 मिटर पर सेकेन्ड। फाइन्ड द डिस्टेन्स बिट्विन देम आफ्टर 3 मिनट। द डिस्टेन्स बिट्विन देम इनिसियली वाज 1 किलोमिटर भनेको कति 760 मिटर। पेन्डुलम स्ट्राइक 6 times 3 seconds and 7 minutes and 5 seconds. If both pendulum are striking at the same time, how many clear strike can be listened in 2 minutes? 383. There are the total of 1236 students in the school. If the boy to girl ratio is 1:2, to find the difference in the number of girls and boys भनेको 1 र 2x भनेको 3 हुन्छ। 3 चौको 12 3 एकान 3 3 दुना 6 4 1 3 4 1 2 4 1 2 हुने भयो। 62 की इन द ल्यापटप भनेको छ वाट इज द पर्सेन्टेज अफ द अल्फाबेट की। ल्यापटपमा चाहिँ अल्फाबेट चाहिँ कति हो 1 देखि 9 सम्म भनेपछि अल्फाबेट भनेको 26 वटा 26 डिभाइड बाइ 62 इन्टु 26 डिभाइड बाइ 62 इन्टु 100 भनेको 41.93 भनेको 42 भयो। त्यस पछाडि यो कुन मिल्छ भन्दाखेरि 1 को भयो। द कम्प्लिट फिगर 2 नम्बर यो मिल्छ 1 2 मैले कहाँ फुल आएछ त 2 नै हुन्छ। 274 17 34 35 35 70 1 कता 142 दुनी 286 1 200 खासमा अब 286 अनि 287 हुनुपर्ने हो छैन। सो द फलोइङ क्वालिटी बाइनस द गिभन कम्बिनेसन के को लागि हो यो चाहिँ वाटर इमेज भनेको ठ्याक्क मुनि राख्दाखेरि कुन बन्छ वाटर इमेज त मिरर इमेज हो। A plus E minus B A plus E minus B भनेको के हो एजुकेटेड हार्डवर्किङ बट बोथ नट इम्प्लोइड भनेको चाहिँ A plus E minus B. What is the primary focus of the strength of the material stress and strain analysis? A rod B cm long is subject to the axial pull with the elongate of about 22 mm. The amount of strain 0.001 EG and mu represent the elastic modulus, shear strain, and bulk modulus of the Poisson ratio. The express of the strain relation completely the material list. Any two of the four must be known. What is the process of heating of the metal furnace and temperature slightly above the upper critical temperature and cooling is slowly furnace annealing? The process of heating the metal in the furnace to the temperature slightly above the upper critical temperature and the cooling slowly furnace identify the incorrect statement according to the hinge arc for the 3-inch parabolic arc subject to the UDL the entire span the bending moment is constant throughout the span which of the following material is most likely to fail on the shear concrete. The beam has the triangular cross section have the height h and b h the section is being subject to the shear force. Calculate the stress at the level of nutrition cross section 8f by 3bh. What is the name for the positive bending moment sagging? What are the units of the section modulus meter cube among the following which is not the principle of the topographic survey? Orientation of the only main station. In topographic survey, orientation distance measurement can be done by using tachometry. The difference in elevation level can be determined by using level telescope. Which of the following is not type of the horizontal angle used in the case of the topographic survey? Horizontal angle. Which of the among is not accurate in output? More accurate conventional GPS मेथड से more accurate हुन्छ. Modern GPS surveying होइन, conventional GPS method चाहिँ more accurate. Which of the following does not indicate the features in the law of accidental error भनेको negligible error. Which of the following is the most important process of triangulation system? Baseline measurement. Which of the following downward moment of the mass along not definite surface is called flow edge? Which of the surface wave called as a long wave? Which of the surface wave is called as a surface wave like के भनिन्छ long wave पनि भनिन्छ. The L wave which particles is complex in nature भनेको Rayleigh's wave मा चाहिँ complex nature का particles हरू हुने गर्छन्. Based on the activity number we can classify it into 3 category. Activity number का 16 3 category. Remolding of the clay is resulting in decrease in strength हुन्छ. Swedish agricultural we divide the entire range of consistency from the liquid to the soil state in Attenborough हुन्छ. The consistency of the soil limit are expressed in terms of percent of water content हुन्छ. The depth of the groove cut by Kasa country determined by liquid limit is 11 mm हुन्छ. Which of the modulus which of the amount is used for plasticizers in the cement by weight भनेको 0.1 देखि 0.4. Silica fume भनेको more reactive हुन्छ. The following option does not come in the mineral admixture भनेको set retarder हुन्छ. Crossing of the direction passing through the 12.5 mm ship size and return 10 mm ship of cylinder. The vegetable oil is present in the mixing for concrete reduce strength. What is the final setting time? The time when cement loose become hardened and completely loses plasticity. Cement plus loses plasticity भनेको इनिशियल सेटिङलाई हुन्छ. फाइनल सेटिङ भनेको चाहिँ द सिमेन्ट बिकम हार्डन एन्ड कम्प्लिटली लुज प्लास्टिसिटी. हाउ मेनी प्याटर्न आर देयर इन द ड्रइङ बोर्ड? दुईवटा हुन्छ. द पार्ट डज नट द टी स्क्वायरमा एब नै हान्ने चाहिँ हुँदैन. स्टक हुन्छ, प्लेट हुन्छ, वर्किङ एज हुन्छ. वाइल रिप्रेजेन्ट द डायमिटर अफ द डायमेन्सन इट इज रिप्रेजेन्टेड बाई द फाइले हुन्छ. विच अफ द फलोइङ इज फर चेकिङ द इन्स्ट्रुमेन्ट मेजर एङ्गल टु गेट एकुरेसी भनेको सर्कुलर भर्नियर स्केल भयो. म्याच द फलोइङ. इज लेस देन 1 भनेको इलिप्स भयो. इज इक्वल टु 1 भनेको प्याराबोला भयो. इज ग्रेटर देन 1 भनेको हाइपरबोला. हाइपरमा इज ग्रेटर देन 1, प्यारामा इक्वल टु 1, इलिप्समा लेस देन 1 भन्ने रहेछ. द लाइन विच टचेस द हाइपरबोला एट द इन्फाइनाइट डिस्टेन्स भनेको एसिम्प्टोट. Increasing the trend of the electronic banking and the transaction which may at time are called cashless transaction can be considered in which of the following types of cost? Cash cost bio. Basic assumption of the law of demand include the commodity should not come for by the distinction. In case of the perfect elasticity, the demand curve is horizontal. Increment revenue is a change in total revenue irrespective of the change in price due to the effect of methodological decision of the revenue. How many board member of NEC there? 21 जना हुन्छन्. How many types of engineer can be given to the access to the register engineer in NEC भनेको unlimited भयो. The unit measurement of the bending is meter हुन्छ. The public entity can go to the international bidding if The good of the construction work and requisition by the public entity are not available. The competitive price more than the one construction enterprise or supplier within the state of Nepal. The bid are received after the deadline is returned on open. The validity period of the bid is specific in the bidding document. The discrepancy prevail the unit rate and total amount, then unit rate prevail total amount shall be corrected as per rate हुन्छ. Two stage of bidding भनेको technical document is examined first. When the consultancy service is procured, if any work cannot be performed by the human resources available in the concerned public entity, if the service is required to obtain the consultant through the source and the foreign assessment according to the agreement to the donor party. When the fixed budget method is applied to the select the proposal with the cost above the such budget ceiling shall be rejected. यसरी हाम्रो कति भयो भन्दाखेरि कहिलेको यो 12:20 को सक्यो.